drowning in emails and need a better way to share entire conversations. Today, I'm going to show you how to attach emails to emails in Gmail, making collaboration and information sharing a breeze. This is much more efficient than forwarding multiple emails separately. Let's dive in. First, locate the email or emails you want to attach. You can select multiple emails by ticking the checkboxes next to them in your inbox. Once you've selected your emails, look for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu, located at the top right of your inbox above your email list. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and click the Forward as Attachment option. It might look slightly different depending on your Gmail version, but it's usually near the middle of the menu. A new email composition window will pop up, just like when you're writing a regular email. Notice that the emails you selected are now attached as EML files. Now, simply fill in the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject, and write your message in the body of the email, just like you normally would. Once you're happy with your message, click the Send button to send your email with the attached email threads. And that's it. The recipient will receive your email and be able to open the attached EML files to view the complete email conversations you sent. They can open those attached emails with any email program. Now you can easily share entire email threads without the headache of endless forwarding. Subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks.